Hey guys, welcome to 3D Printing Hub. Matush here. Today I want to tell you a little issue I ran into quite a while ago and several times since then. I started to print, everything looked great, it was printing, everything is fine, and after 20-30 minutes of the print, the printer just froze. It didn't was non-responsive. It just froze at that real spot. So did on the internet, search, and found many people complaining that the generic SD card, which comes up with the machine, it's not that best. So I did next best thing, right? I reformatted the card. The printer worked like fine, and in a couple of prints, again, same idea. It just stopped, right? So I went on the internet and got a nice SanDisk brand name SD card, and haven't had that issue since with the SD card. So hopefully this will help you avoid many hours on the internet trying to search for it and for the answers, and just go on Amazon, go on Google, find that name brand. Good SD card, solid, and hopefully that will help you lots of unfinished prints. Hit subscribe and we'll see you next episode. Bye.